Hello students, you can see over my screen I have coding. I have a very interesting topic, that is coding, building the architecture of tomorrow. You know, these days everywhere, whenever you are watching YouTube, coding, you need to learn coding, you will do coding, then this will happen, that will happen. How many things you can create using coding. So this slide is all about that thing. So the shifting landscape means how the dynamics of coding has changed beyond the in last 1 decade or 2 decade. So the world is rapidly evolving. Digital fluency is no longer optional. Means you need to be a computer literate person. Computer is now in everywhere. When I'm teaching emerging trends, then I'm teaching that you need to learn computer, because whether you will be a doctor, whether you will be an engineer, whether you will go in any of the field, you need to learn computer. If you will be a doctor, then you will be getting maybe you will be getting, if your lab will be a hi-fi equipped gadget oriented things, and then you have to do a robotic surgery. And then AI powered diagnostic and automated patient. AI powered diagnostic means now everything, every analysis, every reports are being analyzed by AI. And management are transforming medicine. Now retail mein what are the things you can have? You can have data analysis. Yesterday also I told you. Recommendation engine. Recommendation means I told you that whatever you are buying these days, you are getting the recommendation about that. Like if suppose I am having a mobile, and through my mobile I am I'm looking for some sweets to order. And then that day, if I'll order some sweets and I have my health insurance app also there in my mobile, then if I'll order sweets that day, that particular day, then my health report will be there in my health insurance app. Then I'll be getting a notification that you have consumed this much of sweets, so you should not and your sugar level or diabetic level or whatever fats and all are like this, so you should not consume this much of sweets. So this is one kind of recommendation engine, and this is one kind of data analysis also. Based on the data, we are getting the recommendation. And logistics software drive and modern commerce. Why advanced coding skill are crucial? Logical thinking. Coding trains kids to break complex problem into